Let's try another one, the big one there, yeah. Ooh, that is awful looking.
Yeah.
That's what a wart looks up nice and up close. All right, we'll take this off. I thought that'd be fun to look at. Ready?
Okay.
I guess.
All right.
Don't cry.
And
I told you don't cry.
don't cry. He's not crying. He's not crying. He didn't watch any of the football games this weekend. Gonzo, did you watch any games?
No.
No?
I went to go eat at Buddy's.
What else you got? You got another one?
And there's that little one right
Teeny tiny one right there.
right there.
Hold that camera still, little Gonzo. I did not watch a single down of any football games this weekend. All right. So to answer your question, you just asked a question before we were filming. You know what happens with these? These will get angry and red, and they'll swell a little bit, and then they'll sort of dry up, and they should peel off. Now here's the problem with these warts. Are you ready for another treatment?
Yep.
Sometimes these dudes are a lot deeper than you think they are. Okay. Which may be why, I know that stung, didn't it? Yeah. It almost kicked me. It is probably the reason why these did not just, they didn't just go away with the podophyllin treatment, okay? Which is named. And you can see this unfortunate patient slammed her finger in a car door, and she has what's known as a subungual hematoma. And that is a collection of blood under the nail, which is exquisitely painful. So what we're gonna do is attempt to relieve that with this high temperature loop tip cautery device. Okay? So we don't use any anesthesia for this, we just do it quickly and we're done. Ready?
Ay, jole, me lleva la chingada. Sorry.
Really? You okay?
Ay,
That's it.
me.
We're done.
Jole. Holy shit.
Okay.
That didn't hurt a bit.
It didn't, did it? It didn't bleed much. Well, we're done.
Okay. It has just relieved the pressure.
Does it feel better though?
Holy crap, it does.
It does feel better. Okay. Well, you were very brave. Make sure she gets a sticker on the way out. I don't have to record you, but I really liked you because you're so photogenic and you're very happy, and people want to know more about coconut anyway. So tell me what you were going to tell me. Go ahead.
Coconut loves Meta-7, okay?
Why?
Because, look, I could not get comfortable for anything last night. I went to sleep at 1 o'clock this morning, woke myself up around 5, and I have been knocking patients out all day nonstop, and I still have a whole mess of energy. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore, for making Meta-7.
Okay, so you took Meta-7 this morning.
Yeah, I take it every morning.
You take it every morning. And so even though you had a hard time sleeping last night, you took Meta-7 this morning, and now you are a medical assistant machine.
I am a machine. I'm a tank.
Okay. All right, thanks for the free testimonial.
Thanks.